Well, hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Dollar General and the POG or POG with the clearance event. And what is POG? Well, it is these orange tags, and we're going to talk about the acronym here in a quick second. But if you go through the beauty, lotion, potion aisle, you see these orange stickers all over the place. And for a lot of you who can't do clearance sections because there's nothing in your clearance section or it's an over couponed area, this is your opportunity to get in on a couple of deals for the 3-day clearance event, because the items that are in this section will be reduced down another 50%. Okay guys, so before we dive into it, if you could please give this video a like, I would greatly appreciate it. These videos, especially for the Dollar General clearance events, take quite a bit of time in store, and just the mathematics on the other end of it, I would greatly appreciate a big thumbs up on this video. What is POG? It's an acronym for planogram. If you want to Google that, it's just a retail lingo term. But basically with these stickers, they're POG stickers, and they say 10% off. Some of them say 25, but for the most part, the ones that we're discussing are the 10% off. So between now up to Thursday, an item that's $1 is 90 cents. When it hits the Friday, Saturday, Sunday sale, that same product that's 90 cents, take an extra 50% off of it, so it will be 45 cents. These items are found in the normal area of the store. They're not in the clearance section. And this basically makes this clearance event a bit more equal for everybody, because you can shop the planogram stuff because it's in the regular aisle and anyone can find it at a rock bottom price. So if you've never had luck with the Dollar General event, this video has a lot of information for you. So for example, as you can see, this little Palmer's lotion, it has the sticker. It's $1, so this is a pretty easy one. We're just going to jog through this so you'll have an idea of what I'm talking about. So if you open up your Dollar General account and scan this barcode, maybe throw this video up on a television to do this, you're going to see it's ringing up for 90 cents. On Friday, it's going to be 45 cents. So, and this is one of the items just on a regular shelf in the store. So as you can see, 90 cents on the nose. And then when you scan it Friday, it's going to be 45 cents. So hopefully that's crystal clear. Okay, friends, and let's not forget to go through the cleaning, the food section, and to scan. If stuff is ringing up, for really reduced cost, it's part of this. Look for the tags high and low, and if you have a hot deal, please share it. Unfortunately, I didn't have the whole list to make a video of every single item, but this is a good amount of stuff that I found at the store to show you the tags and show you how this works. So if you've always been on the sideline and always wanted to get in on a couple clearance deals, hopefully this video will be helpful. Okay, now walking through the feminine care aisle, we have this box of 96 U by Kotex liners. That's a good amount, and as you can see, it has the magic little sticker there, so we know that this is going to be reduced down to quite a few pretty pennies. So from $5.75 down 10%, we're looking at a price point of $5.18, and with the reduced cost and this dollar digital coupon found on your Dollar General app, it would be reduced down to $2.59. Subtracting this dollar coupon, it's $1.59. So you can see that with digital coupons too, this can be a really great event to look for these POG items. Also on your coupons.com account, if you wanted to grab a second box, look, we have a dollar coupon there. So look through coupons.com, IBOTTA, all the different apps. If there might be some rebates for some of these items, that's when you can also get some of these items like super cheap. Let's not also forget that the coupons.com app, this is considered a manufacturer coupon. So you'd have to buy 2 boxes of those liners to be able to claim this. You can't claim it with both the digital coupon and this. It's one or the other, because this coupons.com app, this is actually a manufacturer coupon. Okay, so now we have these little quads by Covergirl, and as you can see, they have the tags. And remember, scan everything in your store to make sure that it's part of it in your area, just in case. Always be smart and use your Dollar General app. So this guy at 10% off is $4.05, and we have this $3 coupon. So when it hits 50% off, it'll be $2.02. Subtracting that $3 digital, it's free plus 97 cents of overage. You need something else in your basket to grab the 97 cents of overage. They do not pay cash over at the Dollar General. So grab something else. This is a fantastic item to get a little bit of overage for your basket. Now, Covergirl lipstick, not a lot. I only found these little boxes with the two little lippies inside of it, so it's $8. Now, I think it's going to be like $7.20. So that is the price reduced down with POG, and then subtracting this $2 coupon, it's going to be $1.60 for that lipstick. So there are a bunch of CoverGirl digital coupons. Load all three. I unfortunately couldn't find anything for the face that would work really well with this $3 coupon, but maybe one of you will have some better luck than I. But yeah, definitely walk down that beauty aisle because there's some stuff with POG that's going to be fantastic with these digitals. Next item is the L'Oreal Elvish shampoo. I hate that name, but it's 10% off, and as you can see, it's $3.60. So we're going to have to grab two of them. Either you can use the coupons.com, there's a printable coupon, or there's an app coupon, which is a 4 off a 2, which is the same. So it's on this Elvis shampoo. So grabbing two of them at $3.60. Let's use that 4 off a 2 digital coupon or the internet printable, one or the other. It's free plus 40 cents of overage. So that is exceptionally generous. I love, love, love whenever this coupon shows up because I love overage. Who doesn't? And the Tresemme hairsprays, unfortunately, no coupons for that unless you have one. I know there was a $2 coupon floating around. Maybe it'll attach to this one for 25 cents. I did not load it like a dumbass. So, I would just have to look at it in the store but not buy it. Meh. The Tresemme, there's some, but make sure you're grabbing the right ones because they have 1,700 shampoos in their line. So on Friday, for part of the sale, it's down to $1.80, so that's fantastic. And then there's this really nice 3 off a 2 coupon. So if you might have received one, two of them at $3.60, well, it'd be 60 cents for the 2 or 30 cents per Tresemme. So not too shabby. Now they have a bunch for if you color your hair, and they're $5. So that would be at 50% off, $2.25. I don't believe there's any coupons to go with this because this is a specific one, but maybe I'm wrong. So look through your coupons. And then we have this Garnier Fructis. There's one for 10% off and one for 25. So $1.22. Check if you might have any digitals to accompany that one. I unfortunately didn't load any. Okay, so for this scalp care dandruff shampoo, $1.24 for the Dollar General brand, subtracting the 10% and the 50% off. So really good deal for some inexpensive shampoo. This more fancier one, it's supposed to be like the knockoff of Selsun Blue for $1.91. So if this is something that you need, there's some value because the retail price for the other one is like $7. So $1.91, not the worst price. Okay, and now we're looking at items like Zit Free. So this would be 90 cents as of Friday, part of the 3-day sale. And so it drops down to $1.80, so that would be 90 cents. Vaseline, this is a smaller one, so I know there's a $2 coupon, but it's for the larger bottles. It's not for this itty bitty one, so $1.69. Not the worst price, down from $3.38. Men's Dial body wash, 10% off. So this would be down to $1.80 starting on Friday. Maybe on Sunday there'll be a digital coupon to accompany that. 80 cents would be really terrific, but who knows right now. And then the Lifebuoy hand soaps, 10% off of that. It would drop this down to 67 cents, which is a really great price point for these hand soaps. Okay, now we're looking at some Coast soap, bar soap. The one for $1.65, that would be down to 74 cents. So it would be $1.48 on Friday. So 50% of that is 74 cents. And now we have the Ladies Tone Body Wash. So that would be $1.35 starting on Friday, part of the sale. Always scan because sometimes these body washes and lotions and potions look identical. So just to make sure you're grabbing the right one, scan, scan, scan with the Dollar General app. Okay, and now we're looking at some Aveeno body wash for $2.70. If you had a 5 off a 25 basket and this is your favorite thing, this is a killer price for Aveeno, and we really don't ever get coupons for this. But, $2.70, that's the price point. And now we're looking at some Dollar General. It's like a knockoff of Vaseline, so that's $1. So this would be down to to 90 cents, half of that 45 cents. So that is some tremendous savings right there for a big bottle of lotion. And before I take off, I just wanted to talk about this. If you wanted to grab a bunch of these items and throw it into a basket with a 5 off of 25 on Saturday, you can obviously do that. Just pay attention to the math. Let's just do some crazy matchup and get like 38 of these Lifebuoys. So you'll need a case of it in the back, but just grab an enormous amount of it just to make the math a little simple. We're going to grab like all of this because we want hand soap, and there's like 8,000 cases of this in the store. Grabbing 38, that's $25.46. You would punch in your phone number on Saturday. This is a Saturday deal only to use this 5 off of 25. And you would pay $20.46 for the 38, shaking it out to 53 cents per hand soap. If you're a newer couponer and you just want to grab a bunch of the POG stuff, that's an option. But yeah, just it's a way to get a lot of this stuff on the cheap. And some of this stuff you never see for this price point. Like even like that dandruff shampoo and other goodies, you could make a basket for 25 really easy. Hey guys, so before I take off, I made a clearance video with a lot of information of items that I've been finding in the clearance section. Check it out. I'll link it here at the very end. With the POG, you know, if there's not anything in your clearance section and you never find anything, that's an opportunity for you to score a couple of items. And then if your clearance section is identical to mine, there's a lot of deals to be had and found. So please check out this video. I'll link it at the very end. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.